The new washer disinfectors from Miele are space-saving miracles. In comparison to conventional machines, the capacity has increased by almost 300%. This has been achieved by creating large unobstructed areas in the baskets through improved load carriers and increased chamber dimensions. Such a high capacity results in enormous time savings. Large quantities of laboratory glassware are available for reuse in next to no time and don't take up valuable storage space. Module variability reduces the number of load carriers required. This saves unnecessary investments, and the same volume of laboratory glassware can be washed in fewer machines. The efficient Dry Plus drying system saves additional time. The patented steam condenser uses very little water and is highly effective in dealing with steam. A fan distributes hot air throughout the entire chamber and removes lingering traces of moisture. Even bulbous laboratory glassware is perfectly dried on injector nozzles. There's no need for a separate drying unit. The new Miele washer disinfectors stand for high throughput capacities and Miele's proverbial standards of purity.